please subscribe and hit the notification bell.
Hi everyone, if you have followed and done the first and second post, you should have a lady like this one. She is painted with watercolor and ready for making her standing bowl and outstand her hand. This post will be the third of 5 posts. The next tutorials will handcraft her party dress and final presentation. The white and pink dressed ladies should follow the same steps as this tutorial. You will need 1. A small scissors, 2. A Stanley knife and a cutting mat, optional, 3. A set of watercolors. You will need the same color as her sleeve dress, 4. A number 0 round brush, 5. Some handcraft PVA glue, 6. A piece of thick cardboard. There are 4 steps to design the standing paper doll. For the final example, please see the download file. 1. Standing bowl should be 1/3 high at least to connect to the character. For example, my character is 26 cm tall. The connected standing bowl is 10 cm tall. 2. Standing bowl both wings at the end corners should have a certain width before the slot, such as the one here. It only has half cm on the end. Therefore, she can't stand on a table. It should be designed at least 1 cm width. 3. The width between the slots on the rectangle parts should be half cm wider than the flat side of the character. For example, the character which I designed has a 4 cm width front. The width between slots on the rectangle is 4.5 cm. 4. If the clothes which you design for the paper doll will be heavy on the front, it's better to stick a cardboard at her back and make her front toes a little bit longer to fold to support from the front side. Follow the outline around her carefully while you are cutting her. If you cut her incorrectly and trim her edges into round shapes, she won't look as good when you draw and paint her. Make sure you keep the standing bowl connected to her legs. Also, cut out another part of the rectangle standing bowl too. Please keep the rest of the paper which you trim off from her. You will need it for the next step. About the area between her arm and body, I'm going to use the Stanley knife and cutting mat to make a hole first. Then it will be easy to trim this area off. The white and pink dressed ladies should be processed in the same way. After that, get your scissors to trim her hand out from her body. It is because the handcraft her dress will be placed under her hand and make her look really three-dimensional. Also process the ladies wearing white and pink sleeves dress too. As a result, I'm going to use the rest of the paper which I cut off her. Get a small piece that is just big enough to go behind her button to cover the hole made for her hand. Also, don't forget to glue the paper behind her. Once the patch has dried out, I'm going to paint in the same color as her sleeve dress. Get the scissors again to trim the excess off. The white and pink dressed ladies should be processed in the same way. Trim a 21 by 1.5 cm rectangle from the cardboard. The height should be lower than her shoulder. The width will be narrower than the width of the narrowest part of her legs. After that, stick the cardboard line to the bottom of her standing board and wait for it to dry out. Do the same process to the white and pink dressed ladies too. To prepare to let her stand, you will need to do these 4 steps below. 1. Fold back along the lines, both sides next to her legs. 2. There are 4 slots on it. Trim 1 cm deep each. 3. Connect these 2 pairs of slots together. Trim her toe out from the standing board a little bit and fold to the front. Once you do the same process to the ladies wearing white and pink, all ladies should be able to stand well on a table. Here we go. We have made 3 standing paper dolls. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. I will share more interesting DIY courses with you. Please subscribe if you like this content. See you soon next time.